Hello, my name is Jordan Pennington. I'm with the Gold Team, and start project two, I imported the required libraries to perform the task. Next, I imported the data from the link he gave and reading the data. And then I just used the df function to show how many rows and columns are in the data before adjusting what needed to be adjusted. Now I ran the data types in order to understand the data and what needs adjusting. So you can see we have object, float 64, int 64. Next, I use df.describe to describe the data to present the things like max, min, mean, or average values. After this, I wanted to find what values were null or missing. So I use df.isNull. As you can see, we have missing values in work experience. Just to see it easier, I use df.isNull.sum to see where we had missing values. We have missing values in ever married, graduated profession, work experience, family size, and var_1, showing the shape of the data before adjusting. I went ahead and dropped these two columns because you're not going to need ID or var_1 to predict customer category. After dropping these attributes, you can see we went down to 9 columns instead of 11. Um, After that, I went ahead and dropped the null values using this formula. Then provided the shape after doing that so we could see it worked. And then I use df.duplicated to provide the duplicated values within the data set. And then I use this formula to drop the duplicated values. As you can see, the data shape changed from the previous data shape. Then I used df again to show our new data set after adjusting everything that needed to be adjusted. Next, I imported the libraries needed for the box plot. And then using this formula, I presented the box plot. And then after this, I am converting segmentation from a categorical attribute into a numerical attribute using this formula. And this is what this attribute looks as a numerical value instead of a categorical. Um, After this, I am using this formula to provide the correlation matrix, but it's limited because most of our attributes aren't numerical, they're categorical. Only ones that are numerical are age, work experience, and family size. Then I imported these libraries so I could generate a heat map of the data. And then I use this formula, of course, to generate the heat map to show correlation between attributes. And finally, I went ahead and went to the second part. So saying I believe this is a classification problem, and it's a multi-class classification problem. I plan to keep working and finish this project and try to do my best. Thank you.